English Czech, to be, equals.
Být.
Speak it today. Welcome. Hey you, welcome. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more tips and freebies at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll nail English Czech basics of to be equals.
Být.
With jokes, drills, and a quick quiz. Stay to the end for a challenge and a sweet high five for your brain. Your goal today. In minutes, you'll confidently say who and what things are, clearly, kindly, and sometimes hilariously. Core verbs. To be.
Být.
You are, singular.
Jsi.
You are, plural, formal.
Jste.
He is.
On je.
She is.
Ona je.
It is.
To je.
We are.
My jsme.
They are.
Oni jsou.
Forms you say every day. Repeat after me, loud and proud. Yes, your plant can hear you. To be.
Být.
Be.
Být.
You are, singular.
Jsi.
He is.
On je.
She is.
Ona je.
It is.
To je.
We are.
My jsme.
You are, plural, formal.
Jste.
They are.
Oni jsou.
Mini dialogue, cafe vibes. Listen once, then shadow the lines. If the barista gives you a weird look, smile confidently. A. It is your order.
To je.
Tvoje objednávka. B. Thanks. You are fast. Dicky.
Jsi.
Rykla. A. He is the new barista.
On je.
Novi barista. B. She is the manager.
Ona je.
Menazerka. A. We are regulars here.
My jsme.
Tady stamgosti. B. To the group, you are great.
Jste.
Skvělý. A. Pointing at a team, they are from Prague.
Oni jsou.
Z. Prahy. Call and response drill. I cue the English, you clap once and say the Czech. Ready? To be.
Být.
Be calm.
Být.
Klidna. You are here, singular.
Jsi.
Tady. He is happy.
On je.
Stasny. She is a doctor.
Ona je.
Doktorka. It is my book.
To je.
Mohe naya. We are ready.
My jsme.
Pripraveni. You are amazing, plural, formal.
Jste.
Úžasný. They are students.
Oni jsou.
Studenti. Culture tip. Hamlet with a wink. A tiny culture nugget for your brain snack. Czechs know Hamlet's line 2, to be or not to be, equals.
Být.
See nebit. Remember the long Y in.
Být.
Stretch it like dramatic theater while sipping coffee very, very seriously. Lightning quiz. Say answers out loud, then check mine. Zero pressure, maximum glory. Q. How do you say, it is? A.
To je.
Q. You are, to one friend? A.
Jsi.
Q. You are, to a group or formally?
jste.
Q. They are. A.
Oni jsou.
Q. The infinitive to be. A.
Být.
The 30-second challenge. Deep breath. Let's flex your speaking muscles. Make one short sentence for each.
Být. Jsi. On je. Ona je. To je. My jsme. Jste. Oni jsou.
Keep it simple and true.
To je.
Snadne. Thanks and see you. You did great, seriously. Your future self is sending a high five from tomorrow. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Practice a little every day, keep smiling, and revisit this episode to sharpen your to be superpower.
Být. Jsi. On je. Ona je. To je. My jsme. Jste. Oni jsou.
For more lessons, games, and freebies, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.